Hi, I'm Sienna. Andrea asked me to discuss earthquake insurance needs you may need to consider. Did you know earthquakes can strike in over 40 states, not just the West Coast? The U.S. Geological Survey says many homes and apartments are at risk. Standard homeowners, condo, or renters insurance usually doesn't cover earthquake damage. Let's talk about why earthquake insurance is important. An earthquake can shake your home off its foundation, break windows, or damage your belongings. Earthquake insurance can help cover the following repairs: structural damage, rebuilding your home, temporary housing, replacing personal items. Whether you own a house, condo, or rent, you need to add earthquake coverage to be protected. How much does it cost? It depends on your area's earthquake risk. Other factors include your home's building materials like wood or brick, your home's age and local construction costs. And if your home is reinforced for earthquakes, costs are higher in riskier areas, but it's worth checking out for peace of mind. You can add earthquake insurance to your policy. In California, the California Earthquake Authority offers coverage through agents like Andrea from Farmers Insurance. Don't wait. Earthquake damage can be devastating, and standard insurance might not help. Contact the Andrea Krohn agency today to learn how to get covered. Protect your home and belongings with earthquake insurance. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.